Hi, good morning guys. Okay, fresh week with even fresher fishes. It's Tuesday. So those of you been messaging me and newcomers, thank you for messaging me over the weekends. Do take note, Sunday and Mondays we are closed. Okay, so we open from Tuesdays all the way to Saturdays. Okay, so Sunday, Mondays, 2 days rest. Those of you new, thank you for joining the channel. Subscribe, click that bell notification. So every time there's a new video, you guys get updated on your phones. Okay. At the same time, remember to join the Telegram group, because those of you that doing online deliveries, that means $60 and above I send to your house. You can track your orders in the Telegram group. It's a free app, so just go and join. Click the description in the video. Okay, video at the bottom, there's a description. There's a link down there, t.me/group 2girls2guys. Click on that. It will prompt you to download the app if you haven't. If you already have Telegram, it will prompt you to just join the group. Okay, so it's simple, it's just a free app. Go and download. Our group is down there. Okay, so we moved to Telegram just because WhatsApp cannot hold so many people anymore. Okay, so Telegram is just a WhatsApp, so don't have to be afraid. A lot of you give excuses, say sorry I don't have Telegram. Then go and download lah. You all got phones, okay? Nowadays 2020 already, no more 1980 or whatever. Okay. Anyway, Facebook promotion. Okay, this week very new promotion for you guys. Okay, go to the Facebook group 2girls2guys Private Limited. Like the page, share the page, and tag 5 of your friends who might be interested in seafood. Okay, attach that picture to me today, and I'll give you one piece of batang worth $10. Okay, one piece for free today with your order. Okay, tomorrow maybe tomorrow promotion or whatever, I do not know. Okay, but this is based on today's Tuesday's promotion. Okay, so those of you new, remember subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also help us do the like and share for the Facebook group. Okay, there's a brand new like and share. Last week whatever you do or the week before whatever you do is separate. Today is a today's thing. Okay, like and share to 5 different friends. Okay, I'm sure you have more than 5 friends on Facebook. Okay, so anyway, let's start our video. Okay, salmon head and tails are already booked by a customer, so I only have the trout head and tails, $9 each. If you're buying separate, the head or the tail is $5. Down here I've got the bellies, 2 salmon bellies and 2 trout bellies. They are at $8 each. Okay, one plate. Consists of 2 strips. Basically the whole entire fish, the belly is down here in one plate. The bones is nice for soup. If you haven't tried bones for soup, go and try. We like to do Maggi mee. Everything just throw inside the Maggi mee and just eat. There's a lot of flesh to it. Okay, $5 per plate only. Okay, we got trout bones or salmon bones. Let me know which one you want. Okay. Today got beautiful angoli for you all. Okay, let you all see the angoli, how beautiful. These are the good quality angoli. $12 each. Okay, so we have tails. Tails very limited. It's one whole fish, only one tail. Okay, and then on top of that we have fillets as well. Okay, so if you're looking for nice fillet for steaming or doing yu pian tang, go ahead for it. Okay, the nice fillets, $12 for the angoli fillets. Okay, batang like I told you, okay, nice beautiful batang. Okay, look at how translucent the meat is. Okay, $10 each. Okay, so remember like and share promo. Today I'll give you one free batang. Okay, as long as you have a $60 order with us. Batang tails at $3 each. And down there we have nice big angoli heads. Very big one, about this not weight one, about 1.3 kg. Okay, very big, very beautiful the angoli heads. Okay, $15 only. If you're looking for doing curry or doing asam, that's a perfect one for you. Okay, salmon at $10, trout at $12, and rainbow trout. If you haven't seen a rainbow trout, this is how it looks like. Okay, rainbow trout are wild. Okay, so it's $12 each as well. Remember, we're having this promotion of a sample pack. 1 per order. Okay, you get 1 salmon, 1 rainbow trout, and 1 trout for only $30. Means you save $4 off. Okay, I got something special for you today. Not only this, okay, but I got something very special for you today. Have you all seen? This is not dou chang, by the way. This is not dou chang. Okay, this is bai chang, white pomfret. Have you seen such big white pomfret before? According to the supplier, he said normally this kind of white pomfret you don't get to see in Fish Point at all. All shipped over to Hong Kong to high-end restaurants. Now, due to COVID-19, they are all in Singapore. Nobody is buying them up. So you got a very, very, very good chance. Good chance for you to buy the bai chang, the big ones. Okay, they are pricey. Bai chang is more, how to say, they are more pricey than dou chang by a lot. Okay, so if you are looking for really, really good bai chang, here they are. Okay, we've got 700-gram ones at $42 each. I have 3 here. I have 3 800-gram ones at $48, and 2 900-gram ones at $54. Okay, so if you're looking for very, very rare, very, very big bai chang, these are nice one. I can go and keep one. Get it today. Okay, go and keep. Use it for a special occasion. Down here, okay, I've got a nice offer for you guys, okay? Look at this beauty. Okay, it's a 2.2 kg 老鼠斑, 2.2 kg. Normally we sell at $70 a kg, which will be 154. Today offer for you guys, $50 per kg only, okay? $110 for this entire 老鼠斑 2.2 kg, okay? However you want to cut, please let me know, okay? Outside you eat this easily to $400-500 one. I never bluff you one, okay? 老鼠斑 is that expensive, okay? But now a lot of restaurants close. Go and have a good meal. Buy, keep in your fridge, okay? When it's time to have a good meal with family, do it. I know a lot of you. I see a lot of my friends are playing TikTok right now and all a bit cuckoo already. You all stay at home too long already. Go and have a good meal, okay? Please go and have a good meal, okay? Okay. So that's for you all. Brown groupers. Few different sizes for you, brown groupers. Very beautiful brown groupers. I got 1.2 kg one, 27. 1.5 kg one, 33. The small ones are 600 grams at $14. 700 grams, $16. 800 grams at $18, okay? So these are the sizes of the brown groupers. Down here we have douchang. Okay, so douchang, the majority are 500 gram ones, okay? At $20 each, okay? These are the Indonesian douchang. Very nice Indonesian douchangs. Okay, 500 gram one. Nice and big size. Okay, so they are at $40 per kg. $20 each. Up there, I got one 600 gram one at $24 and a 650 gram one at $26. Those are the only two bigger ones I have down there. Not too big today, okay? 500 grams all the way to 650 grams. Chilean sea bass, new batch, 68 per kg. Saba, okay, 1 for 4, 3 for $10. Today, red grouper also on promotion, okay? Red grouper normally is about 35 per kg. Today, the red grouper, because the skin a bit, you can see, they go sun tanning, a bit got suntan. Meat is very, very good, okay? It just doesn't look very good. So the price cheap, 28 per kg only, okay? I'll let you see the pricing, okay? So we have one 800 gram one here, $23. 1.1 kg one at $31. 1.2 kg one at $34. Another 1.2 kg one at $34. 800 gram one, okay, 23. 800 gram got a few, 800 gram, $23. Down here, 23, 23, $23, $23, okay? Then comes to the smaller ones, 500 gram one, $14. 550 grams, $16, and a 600 gram at $17. Okay, so these are the different sizes for you. I have two nice ones down here. Okay, these are the beautiful ones, no blemish one. Okay, this one is at $12 each. Okay, one of each. Down here, $12. Okay, then sea bass. Okay, one sea bass $6. Today golden pomfrets, the price went up for golden pomfret, but these are still nice big ones. Okay, $9 each. Those of you want a nice big golden pomfret, here they are. Okay, $9 each. And then today we have flower grouper. Okay, long time never brought in flower groupers already. So flower grouper, nice. They are the good alternative to red grouper. Their meat is very nice and sweet. Of course, you cannot compare but it's a good alternative and cheap as well. $6 for the whole fish only. Okay. Something new for you guys. Or not really new I brought in this before. These are the kanpei. Okay, scallops kanpei. Okay, one pack 250 grams, $8. Okay. So go back, just wash and then can go and eat already. Okay, you can put in your soup or whatsoever you want. Okay. Angsai, today we have different sizes. We've got small one and we got the big one. I know some of you really love the big ones. Angsai is the emperor red snapper. They have a very, very, very sweet meat. So if you haven't tried, go and try. It's a very, very premium fish. The head for the angsai is very, you can say it's a prized possession. Those expensive curry fish head, they all use angsai head one. Okay. So I've got a around the same size, 1.9 kg one down there, $48. 2 kg one at $50 and a 2.1 kg one at $53. Okay, three different big sizes for you. If you are a fan of the small ones, last week always sold out. Seems like a lot of people nowadays appreciating this fish already. Rightly so, it's a very sweet fish and very nice fish, and these are the personal size, I will call it. Good for one person to eat. Okay, so one plate $8, okay, for the angsai. Down here, we've got baby red groupers. Okay, baby red groupers at 600 grams a plate. Okay, $18 per plate. Okay, some got 3 in a plate, some got 2 in a plate. Let me know you want the bigger or smaller ones. Okay, these are the considered bigger ones. We have 2 in a plate. The smaller ones we put 3 in a plate. Okay, about 600 grams each. Down here, sikla, Malaysian sikla. Anybody wants beautiful Malaysian sikla? $8 per plate. Okay, you can get 3 in a plate. Prawns. Okay, prawns we have this one, the live prawns. Morning a live one. This kind of live prawns. Okay. 1 kg, $22. Okay, cheap. This kind of size normally we sell about 25. Today got it cheap, $22. Tiger prawns, medium to large size tiger. These are very beautiful tiger. I always prefer this type of tiger compared to the black one. This one much nicer to eat. Okay, today only 24 per kg. Okay, for the nice medium-sized tiger. We have gong gong as well. Some of you miss gong gong. The last week keep asking me for gong gong. Okay, we have gong gong now. Okay, $8 per kg. These are all alive one, the gong gong, all alive one. Okay, so how to cook gong gong? Simple. Put it inside your room temperature water, then bring it to the boil. Don't throw them inside boiling hot water. They will all kill inside. Then you cannot take them out already. Okay, you're gonna dig very hard to get them out. So put in room temperature water, bring it to a boil. Once you see bubbles on top, you can remove already. Okay, what Jenny used to do is she put lemongrass into the water as well to kill the fishy taste. Okay, $8 per kg. We also have ham. Ham last week not enough. Everybody wants ham, but not enough. We brought in 5 kg this last week. This week bring in 8 kg. Sorry, 8 kg for you all. Okay, so today beautiful ham for you guys. If you all want $8 per kg. Okay, sotong, nice big sotong, 18 per kg. Okay, today we have live mud crabs as well. So if you all want live mud crabs, let me know. Okay, nice and strong and all naughty boys one. Okay, 35 per kg. Got big or small one. So I will choose for you, then I'll weigh for you. Okay, based on 35 per kg. Mud crabs. By default, I'll give you a live one. Okay, if you need me to clean, please tell me. Then ask Jenny to clean for you. Okay, by default, I'll just put in a plastic bag and then deliver to you guys. Okay, done. Down here we got all the, how to call it, mix. Okay, mix item. Batang heads today offer $1 each only. We have this one, Angoli belly. This from a few fishes. Okay, one plate only $5. And this plate of mixed parts. Okay, Angoli. This batang belly and the batang near the head, that portion. Okay, this one $4 only, one plate. Okay, so lots and lots of nice seafood for you guys since it's Tuesday. Everything fresh because we closed for the last 2 days. We have no stock. Frogs. Okay, 1 for $4, 3 for $10. If you're looking for frogs, okay, Uncle has. He will help you to clean, help you to kill them for you. Okay. Okay, if you're looking for Shenyi, okay, Uncle has with skin, without skin, please inform. $32 per kg. Either in Shenyi Pian or as a whole fillet by itself. Okay. So you order by dollar value, maybe you say you want $10 or something like that, or you buy weight maybe 1 kg or 500 grams, that kind of thing. Also can. You're looking for head and tail for bones or for soup. Okay, head is $350, bones is $150. Okay, so that's what we have for you. Frozen food section. Okay, my last 2 tubs of spot prawns. Anybody wants $16 per tub? Okay, these are the sweetest prawns in the world. I really love this one. $16 per tub. Wild Alaskan spot prawns. Okay, $16 per tub, 340 grams. No head, only shell and bones. Shell and meat. Sunflower crab meat, okay, $15 per 500 grams. Also only meat, no shells inside. This one, American scallops, okay, $26 per pack. This one very nice. They hold their shape, okay. They don't lose water, don't kill tree one, okay. So these are very high quality scallops. Restock on this one seems to be a popular item right now. Okay, everybody loves this kind of lala. Simple to use. Already descended. Just go home, wash, and then put in your soup, put in your pai mi fen, that kind of thing to eat. Rainbow trout are all down here. Okay, so when you order your sample sack, I'll take from here. If not, then you want to buy separate, also it's all from here. Okay, my last piece of Jindara. Okay, this is the tail section of black cod, by the way. Okay, 1 kg is $88. Okay, down here we've got wild sockeye salmon. Last few pieces, $16 each. Okay, this side. Okay, down here, these are the big oysters, $15 per pack. Okay, 1 pack 500 grams. And these are the small oysters. Okay, $12. So you want to do your orjian, that kind of thing, you can use. Okay, we have Pacific cod as well. Pacific cod, this is wild cod, Alaskan Pacific cod. The fillets are at $50 per kg. Okay, one whole fillet may be about 900 to 1.2 kg, around that kind of weight estimate. We also have cuts for you, smaller cuts. So if you want the smaller cuts to try, let me know. Also same price, $50 per kg. I'll weigh accordingly. Okay, the hake, okay, $20 per pack. Okay, this one is also another codfish. This one is a very popular dish in South America. You can go and Google some recipes, are quite interesting. I think a lot of you will use this for fish and chips. So this is basically your fish and chip section. Okay, then down here we have your silverfish, unsalted one, $5 per pack. And then the codfish bones. Okay, so this whole pack is 1 kg of codfish bones. Use it for soup, pan frying. Okay, $12 only. Very cheap for 1 whole kg of codfish bone. Okay, so that's what we have for you in the freezer. Okay. Oh, my freezer is always stuck. Okay, so anybody who wants anything, do message me. Daniel stores at the back. Okay, so he's selling vegetables. He's very busy. Do message him early. Preferably next time, if you want to order from Daniel, order a day earlier. His vegetable don't change much one. Vegetable, not like seafood. Every day we have different kind of seafood. Vegetable, every day is basically the same. Once in a while, he got something special for you guys. So just message him one day in advance if you are thinking of buying, okay? So reminder how to order for those new people and old people as well, okay? Just leave me a WhatsApp message. What fishes do you want? How to cut your fish? And your address. These 3 things are all I need. Then just leave your message down there. I will get back to you and confirm, okay? I will read from the oldest message all the way to the newest message, okay? So please don't keep replying your thread. You bump your message all the way to the back and you get confirmed even later, okay? So trick for you, just get ready what you want and also think of alternatives just in case by the time I contact you, certain stuff sold out. Okay, so don't forget the like and share promotion today. Like, share, tag 5 friends on Facebook, and then you get 1 plate of beautiful batang for free, worth $10, okay? For a $60 order, okay? So, okay, thank you guys. Today, Tuesday, a lot of nice fishes. I'm hoping to get a lot of orders from you guys. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow in Wednesday's video. Okay, bye-bye.